Hi everyone, Caroline from Thought Farmer here. Today, as I'm sure you've guessed, I'm going to walk you through our most recent update. And I'm super excited about this release because it includes a solution to one of our most popular feature requests. We're introducing brand new administrator roles. First though, I want to give a quick shout out to our product team. This is already our third release of 2023 and they are really showing no signs of slowing down. I love it. Also, if this is your first time here, consider pressing that subscribe button. That way you'll never miss future release content on this channel. So in this new version, we have one major update and one minor update. The major update is of course the new admin role feature I just mentioned. As the name suggests, it offers the ability to grant really fine-grained permissions to individuals that need to carry out administrative actions on your intranet. Our product team has done an amazing job of taking what was a lot of customer feedback and translating it into a feature that checks off a lot of these boxes. The second smaller feature we're adding in version 11 is an enhancement to our content audit report. You will now be able to run a report that is filtered to a specific user or users, but more on that later. Let's get into the administrator roles first. As mentioned, setting up admin roles gives you the ability to assign fine-grained permissions to individuals or groups that need to perform certain administrative actions on your intranet. For example, you might have a designer who needs access to themes, but who shouldn't have access to HR documentation. Or you might have an IT rep who needs access to the more technical areas of the admin panel, such as security or integration settings, but who doesn't necessarily need access to form settings. Now you'll notice I've mentioned access a few times now, and really that's what the administrator roles come down to. Granting users access to manage three key areas of your intranet: content, forms, and technical functionality. So enough talk, let's take a quick peek under the hood. Within the admin panel, you will see a new menu called Administrator Roles. And within that section, you'll see three default roles listed: Super Admin, Content Admin, and IT Admin. Super Admin is the everything mode. It gives you access to all of the buttons and levers that control how your intranet looks and functions. It also gives you access to view and edit all the content and all of the forms on the site. The Content Admin role gives users permission to edit all content, all forms, and content-related admin functions. And the IT admin role gives users access to the technical areas of the admin panel, such as security and integrations, but not content or forms. Now, of course, you can also set up your own roles. So as an example, let's set up that design admin role I mentioned earlier. And let's assume this person is only going to need admin access to your site's theme panel. As with most things in Thought Farmer, setup is really simple. Within the Add Role section, you just add a name, add a description, and choose your permissions. For this role, we do not need to grant access to content or forms, and we want to restrict admin panel access to just the theme. So that's the only option that we check. Everything else we can just leave unchecked, and that's it. Now, if I log in as a design admin, you'll notice I still have access to the admin panel, but the only option I can see here is the theme. There are a ton of other options and use cases within this feature. For example, we also updated the user management section so you can assign roles to new or existing users. But as always, please reach out to your customer success manager for more information. They will be more than happy to walk you through the details. Now let's take a quick look at the updated content audit report. You'll notice a new section within the report that allows you to filter results to a specific user. This can be useful when staff are changing roles within the company or when someone is leaving the organization. Using this new filter option in the report, you can easily figure out how ownership should be transferred. And that's pretty much it. There are a few smaller updates in this release, but you can find all of the details in the release notes on our Thought Farmer community site. Thanks so much, and see you next time.